Welcome to my channel. Make learning a joy. Take some strawberries and wash them neatly and peel their skin and so that all the seeds of these will come out. To prepare the strawberry lip balm. Now grate the strawberry to make the strawberry lip balm with the help of a grater. Now this is my strawberry extract after grating. Now I am adding 1 spoon of coconut oil to it. Mix it nicely. Now I am adding a small spoon of ghee to it and mix it well. Wow, it's amazing. Boil it in a low flame to remove excess water. If you wish to have some more red color, add some red color. Look, my lip balm is ready now. Now I'm gonna apply it. See my plain lips now without applying any lip balm. Now I'm gonna apply the natural strawberry lip balm. Please try making this natural lip balm in this strawberry season. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.